Up high on purple holds, she started to grimace, battling gravity, but further than anyone else at that stage.
Catches this one though, and she will have to try hard.
The final two. If Janja Garnbret wins gold, she takes her career 50th gold medal. If Annie Sanders won, she would be the first climber in history to win back-to-back double golds over 2 comps. Annie climbed first.
Like, so much power, she will lose so much power.
She's going for the heel.
And she's going for the heel that...
She took a long...
Oh,
she's
wow.
trying to swap hand to foot. That's surely it's blocked for a reason.
Yeah.
Annie's in trouble right now. That is the wrong decision.
Wow.
What is going on?
And
Wow.
she's still holding on. The heel on the blocking hold is really not great. And it's no text as well, but she just manages to do it. Wow, 20 seconds left.
Has to drop that down to rest, can't make the move, and
And that's so interesting that in moments like this that she decides to go back and rest once more.
I guess if it gets you 1 hold more, 1 plus more, it's worth
it makes sense, definitely. She fell before she timed out. She had like 5 seconds left.
With the high point set, it was time for Janja to enter the arena.
There it is, looking good.
Yeah, hesitating for a really, really short moment, but then getting it done easily.
Let's go, and this part is sketchy, as we know. So here we go. What solution has Janja thought about in her head?
Yeah, I think she will go for the campus.
360, yeah, she's read that with Rosa, right? Oh
Yeah.
no, she doesn't like that heel though.
She's making space for her heel.
Gets it, unwinds, okay. Just about, Janja, just about.
Yeah, that didn't look super easy, did it?
Not super easy, no. There it is, 38 plus, she reaches it. We wait for some confirmation here. Flick left, and that is it. 50 gold medals for Janja Garnbret. She's won Olympic titles. She's won multiple accolades along the years, and she's done it again here. Can she finish this route for us, just to give us something else to cheer about, Julia?
Wow, that looked so impressive. She's still in control, and now I really want to see a top from her. Fighting.
No, she falls before the top, but it does not matter. She is the champion of Innsbruck.
We say goodbye to Innsbruck with records broken. Make sure you subscribe because the season is far from finished, and we will return soon for more climbing action.